Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa sechi ene ne dey di kan ya wo dey ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification ene sa ne news e dey betun bia we be ati anasa we be bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha ora Allotey Jacobs ena okase na adofo ye beka ya ora Allotey Jacobs e yo bia na oye NDC ni a ende o kire se onda enye NDC ni bio na say yebesha ora Allotey Jacobs oko radio station so bia na okasa obo eye his excellency na nado dan kwakufu ado ena afen so ne vice president eye ora bawumia oba omo aba so papa o kire se na nado eye mpuntu djuma na nado e bono ho modern as president na nado eye nioma bebre se Ghana fo ye bona ba so papa because president a abesi ko ina na nado pe ena wa bono modern ye papa Ghana fo bi e kire se na ora Allotey Jacobs pa adai oni omapeni dada John Dramani Mahama mo e wa asema na adenti na wo ye NDC ni na empo so we fi NDC party ni mu a ende wokasa ede ema NPP for na ora Allotey Jacobs ede nsem bi asanso abetu dwa ne nsem a okay na ne se NDC fo ende na omo kasa chi na omo ye say propaganda na de ile bia mboa ena na ado de ye ahokire beto Ghana fo suna no eye ne bre ena NDC fo omo de e kasasa because omo akotena opposition ache ekom edromo power com edromo omo pese 2024 coming election ni Ghana for eto aba ede ema omo nti nsem omo kana nda ono omo yese eche omo yese nina eye ekom enibre nti Ghana for yema ne ye ninda ho because NPP for buy no omo abeye ade eye papa yema ne ye ninda ho na 2024 yen sanso nto aba efema NPP amayoko na omo ento aso na the NDC for eye ne de eye ne bribi e na omo de eye sa omo pese omo ba power because omo opposition acha anya asem keto akwa ne yenti ensem a ora Allotey Jacobs e de etudwa
Kwame
yeah Allotey
anyway Muntaka challenges speaker I'm Masomaka in there the very people who accuse the lady are the same people who are becoming the devil's advocate. Wow, Hasama. Nti no ma mempede muka parliament summon. Now, Kwame, on the BBC interview. Good questions, beautiful answers. It's as simple as ABCD.
But good question, beautiful answers. Konfu says, as for that interview, at a point I was getting angry because the BBC chap was getting rude in his line of questioning.
No,
the president, by and large, did well. Okay.
That is the character of these journalists are why radio station presenters for African countries are when your station is linked to BBC. Yeah, that is how it is. And see, sometimes they are so provocative to the extent that peace and an appeal to their management. The audience. Easy, good to them. But good questions, beautiful answers. It's as simple as ABCD. Now, Kwame.
Yeah.
My man. The very young man I adore so much, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Albakasa on the economy. Now, I like the way you put up the synopsis as appropriate or
pressure from the public.
Oh, well, look, the man, Springer, the latest Springer edition Lamkus are there. Range Rover, sir. It absorbs all shocks. And the my Facebook page, Mr. Bade, my next door neighbors, one of your notebooks in a pen number one. And you will see thousands of voices. And get there, the world has come to an end. On by end.
Somebody says, Chairman General, Dr. Bawumia is going to cough on the economy. And a lot of people will catch a cold. Safu Kantanka in Okanshin.
Someone I'm a mental bro. We put in the right context.
Yeah, catch him.
I have a problem.
Which is?
The last time maybe said Ghana for what do we want? And we don't want to recognize the fact that in this era that we are, COVID, Abayasam, Ayasamama, if we are seeing Yinara, Ghana is no exception. But we are behaving because we want to come to power. So, in any excuse beyond, oh, Charlie, the man say me, that man can wahanti will hold you for it. What I mean?
Allotey.
Yes, a man proposes, God disposes. In your political journey, anything can happen, and that is what has happened. And see, what do we do as a nation? Look at Sri Lanka and other areas. Look at even America, Sisiala. As at NPP CNN report, the German bank, one main bank, one central bank say America will in a recession. That alone, keke. Whether even if it is speculation, do you know what it will do to the American economy for them to have said that? But here, how many? Say with the French, oh yes, in your prices, roko sol. Nezo, how many? Ye to me sum, yerko, yerba. Obia into matter on gada on onyes benindi. Obia into mungade onu weje adensi on si dan. Me said Ganafo there. So could the baby na ahuchra bar. Let us cut our coat according to our size. Said any da ayendama sonoduka kapim dama obeye ni to move forward. And that is precisely what Nana Akufo-Addo government is doing. Why? Abanti no mayemboa. Kwame Nkrumah BCC adi factories na nigga kan ya tunton factories in kafi minnapo yetu mama industries ayo obo yetonu masofu wazi ye chapel den ne ye wi anye Ghana fo ya dan ye hu ya akọ de ye keye 21 days fasting then Yankopon me. That is the type of character, the type of life. Nti ya ye so subtle there. Say obi tumbe je ono kan bibi pe na yafa. Dr. Bawumia Obama Ghana full hope for the next 2 years. Woman yintin na nyeme pia wa boa na ban mo waza tutu mbiambia de Ghana be yeyen yekudu yaruko ne nkakakra no be yeye na mase awo be hihye nyim experts awo be criticizing her. They should be constructive enough there. It is about Ghana, not about a political party or about any individual. Ne what's a itukumpam. I mean, my message I'm Ghana for you.
Chairman Allotey Jacobs say ne message Ojibeja Ghana Funini, and then a few others before I go to Kwamina Duncan. Quick ones here. Now this one from Ni in Bachona, very interesting. It says Kwekubako. Here's a quick addition to Kwekubako. Can I say the issue about Bagbin then minority leader Speaker Allotey, it resulted in the speaker gagging him. Allotey said, and I quote, "You will not speak until you apologize." And Babi actually ended up apologizing, I think. Now, on the issue of Henry Quartey's absence, if you cast your mind back, during his Let Accra Work Again campaign, some rumor kite was thrown that he was either sick or had passed on. It is this dangerous political propaganda that we should be wary of. People from the opposite side who seemingly supported his Accra Work campaign were wishing failure for him. The Privileges Committee referral has exposed them. Ni in Bachona. And then this one, Lily from the